Tonight's dinner is all about a romantic dinner for two. So I'm thrilled that y'all are here with me, and I'm getting a meal prepared that I think Michael is gonna love, filet mignon. And I'm gonna start by marinating them in the refrigerator, and I'm gonna use just a plain Italian dressing. Now you can use a bottled Italian dressing, or if you make your own, that'll be great. You can just pour that over it. And I'm gonna marinate my steaks for about 4 hours, 2 hours on one side. Then I'm gonna flip them and marinate them for 2 more hours on the other side. And I've already got some that's marinating right here, so they're ready to go. Now I'm gonna make a basting sauce for these steaks as they're cooking. I'm gonna take 2 teaspoons of water, and I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of a steak sauce. I'm gonna mix that together to just break it down a wee little bit. All right, now I'm gonna take our steaks out. Ooh, and that smells delicious. All the herbs and everything in that Italian dressing, I can really smell it. Now I'm gonna take 2 nice pieces of bacon, and I tend to use, here in my house, a thicker bacon. Now I'm just gonna wrap that around like that, and I'm gonna take a piece of kitchen twine or cord, and I'm just gonna measure that off and secure that bacon around that steak. And then I'm gonna cut that off so that that won't fall onto the fire to the griddle and burn. All right, so I'm gonna take my second piece of bacon and do the same thing. And this one's gonna be my steak because it's smaller. So I'm just gonna transfer these to the grill. I'm gonna brush this side with our steak sauce, and this is gonna give it just a little extra kick that we normally wouldn't have. So, all right, now I'm gonna turn those over, and we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. And I'm gonna marinate this side. That steak sauce smells really, really good. All right, so I'm gonna let this cook on for a few minutes. I'm gonna give my hands a quick wash. Now, if you like your meat more towards medium well, a thick filet is really a challenge to cook to that temperature. So if you're afraid that your meat won't get done as much as you like it on top of the griddle, you can transfer this to a black skillet and run it in the oven.